techniques. How exactly are they doing this? Let's find out.
It is a well-known fact that a clean nation is a healthy nation. But we also cannot deny that every minute, every single day, the equivalent of a truckload of plastic enters our ecosystem. A sea of plastic has invaded Delhi, contributing to the grime and waste that makes the national capital one of the world's most polluted cities. Is there anyone who can bring about a change? Well, we don't have a definitive answer to that. But this organization in Delhi believes it can lend a helping hand.
In India, recycling is already happening, but the major issue is the collection part, because most of the collection, I would say like more than 90% of the collection is through the informal sector. We at GEM Enviro Management are focused on making this collection mechanism, the technologically advanced, so that there is a inherent advantages for all the stakeholders involved in this.
Incorporated in 2013, Delhi-based GEM Enviro Management collects both pre-consumer and post-consumer polythene terephthalate or PET waste and ensures that it is recycled as per legal and environment norms.
So we collect both pre-consumer as well as the post-consumer plastic waste, and particularly the PET waste. Second is the recycling. So whatever we collect, we ensure that it is recycled as per the legal environmental norms of the country. And the third is that the sale of the recycled merchandise. So whatever the products are recycled, so we make them into beautiful products like t-shirts or backpacks or a jackets or a tie or a shirt or something like that. And then they are again sold to mainly the corporates, and which basically, and this all things basically they complete the sustainability loop.
The company has installed around 35 reverse vending machines at various places in Delhi, NCR and Maharashtra to help curtail the problem of garbage, and has processed close to 1 lakh ton of plastic waste till now.
यूजर्स आते हैं और वो मशीन के अंदर बॉटल्स को डालते हैं, हमारी मशीन उसको क्रश करके एक 1/5 पार्ट में उसको कन्वर्ट कर देती है और उसके बाद उसको बिन में डिपॉजिट कर देती है। हमारे जो मशीन के बिन की कैपेसिटी है वो लगभग 1000 बॉटल्स के आसपास है और हम लगभग 500 के करीब बॉटल्स पर डे की इकट्ठी करते हैं। जब भी हमारा बिन भर जाता है, हमारी कलेक्शन वैन आती है और इसको बिन को खाली करके हमारे बॉटल्स को कलेक्शन सेंटर्स में ले जाती है। कलेक्शन सेंटर्स में हम बॉटल्स के लेबल्स और उसके ढक्कन को रिमूव करते हैं और उसको रिसाइकलिंग होने के लिए रिसाइकल प्लांट में भेज देते हैं।
GEM Enviro Management's RVM encourages citizens to do their bit to help the environment and make sure their surroundings are clean.
For me, the thing which motivates me is, there's a lot of pollution these days, So I'm doing my bit to, contribute to the initiatives which, actually are helpful to the environment. So I'm actually saving my bit of plastic from going into a landfill and pollute the soil and water more.
Post-recycling, GEM develops recycled merchandise, which again is sold to institutional clients, thereby providing complete value chain solutions. The products are sold under its brand, Being Responsible.
बॉटल्स की जो रिसाइकलिंग की आउटपुट होती है वो होती है रिसाइकल पॉलिस्टर फाइबर। उस फाइबर को हम आगे बाई मर्चेंडाइजिंग के लिए, टी-शर्ट्स वगैरह के लिए और कैप्स वगैरह की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं।
GEM Enviro aims to build an economically viable business model pan-India for providing packaging scrap management solutions. The team is working towards environment sustainability and wants to be recognized among the best packaging scrap management companies.
Well, with that, it's a wrap of this episode of India Hoga Clean, our special campaign that recognizes the efforts of individuals and organizations that are putting incredible efforts to clean up the country. And you too can join the bandwagon simply by sharing your thoughts and ideas with us on social media using the hashtag India Hoga Clean. We'll be back next time with some more inspiring stories of heroes from another Indian city. Until then, remember to do your bit and keep your city clean. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye.